Hello everyone. Today I'm very happy because one special moment happened with me. I'm eager to share with you. Watch the video till the end and let's get started. When I reached in that interview hall, interview has already started. After that, today girls were given interview according to sitting arrangements. After some time, my turn came. I went to that interview hall. After that, after few seconds, HR told me, Ankita, I watched your YouTube videos and I liked your videos and I commented. You are making good videos. I appreciate you because you are sharing your experience with people with honesty. After that, she told me, your videos are helpful for others, the girls who wants to become a cabin crew. And she told me, never stop, make this kind of good videos. Then I said, definitely, ma'am, I will never stop. After that, she was taking my interview of first round. What question she asked me in first round? How you work on your fluency and why Indigo? Then I said, ma'am, every day I am watching YouTube videos, listening podcasts, reading books, and speaking in English every day. Second question, why I want to work with Indigo Airlines? I said, I want to work with Indigo Airlines because Indigo is known to be a best airline in India and for always being on time plus treating its employee very nicely. These are the sum of reason why I want to work with your company. Thank you so much. After that, she declared result. I got rejected, but I didn't feel bad because she watched my videos. I was too motivated. After that, she told me, Ankita, don't feel bad because Indigo is continuously taking interviews. Work on yourself, come back again. I will share one important point. Whenever you are asking to feedback and that HR will share feedback, don't take that feedback personally and don't blame her. Work on yourself, come back again because when HR she will share feedback, you will work on that. You will know where you are doing mistakes and it will helpful for you because for every interview I am asking feedback to HR and I know where I am doing mistake and that HR she knows I'm weak in my fluency. So I will work on my fluency. So please don't blame her and take feedback positive. And I will make videos until I will become cabin crew. And after cabin crew also, I will make videos. And I am motivated and I am motivating to you. Please come give interview. Don't feel bad. Rejection is the part of life. I hope you will like this video. Thank you for watching this video.